In this tutorial, we'll show how to build a basic spreadsheet visualization from scratch using the AnyChart Spreadsheets extension in ClickSense. Open your Click app and go to the Assets panel. Under Custom Objects, AnyChart 4, drag the Spreadsheets table onto the sheet. With the object selected, open the Properties panel. Go to the Settings section, open Autosave, and select Browser Indexed DB Storage option, so our changes will automatically be recorded to the app. Then go to the Data section and click the Add button. Select the New Data section and click Edit Data. Now add the columns you want. This will give you two sheets, a default empty Sheet 1 and a new data-populated sheet, Data Sheet 1. On the data sheet, select your table area, go to the Insert tab and click Table. Click OK in the pop-up window. You can now adjust formatting. In our case, resize columns and rows. Change alignment from the Home tab. Now select your data again, go to Insert, and choose Insert Chart. Pick a chart type, click OK, and reposition it where you want. To save everything, enter the Edit mode, select Extension, and click the Apply button in the Apply Changes pop-up in the Properties panel. Now try applying some filters or making selections in your Click app. You'll see the spreadsheet update instantly. Charts, tables, and even formulas react to the selected data in real time. That's the power of being connected to Click's associative engine. If you need to continue working on your spreadsheet in another tool, outside of Click, feel free to export it as a .xlsx file. To do this, open the File tab in the ribbon, choose Export, and select the Excel format. Then click Export Excel File, give your file a name, and hit OK. Your download will start right away, ready to open in Excel or any compatible software. You've built a simple, reactive spreadsheet using live Click data, ready to expand or share. Thanks for watching.